या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण प्ले पार्ट 2 संपूर्ण वर्कशॉप आपण बघणार आहोत. तर चला आपण व्हिडिओ सुरू करूया. क्वेश्चन 1 आहे. लिस्ट द कॅरेक्टर्स दॅट appear to the first time in this part of the play. Write 1 or 2 lines about each of them. Answer. Characters that appears first time in this part of the play are Goldsmith, Hangman and Sage. 1. Goldsmith. He was dutiful and tried to follow the king's order by setting aside all his work. Hangman. He was also faithful towards his duties. He tried to follow the king's order. He was executioner who hangs the culprits. Sage. A wise man from neighboring forest who smartly saved his disciple from the punishment given by king. Then question number 2. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. तर आपल्याला काही सेंटेन्सेस दिलेले आहेत ते आपल्याला खरे की खोटे हे आपल्याला ठरवायचं आहे. तर चला आपण बघूया. क्वेश्चन ए. The goldsmith blamed the king for the delay in his work. Answer. True. B. The king thought that the goldsmith had a good reason to delay the daughter's work. Answer. False. C. The goldsmith was hanged. Answer. False. Question D. The noose did not fit the goldsmith's neck. Answer. True. Question E. The noose did not fit the disciple's neck. Answer. False. F. The sage wanted to die on that day. Answer. True. G. The sage wanted to save his disciple. Answer. True. Question H. The king wanted to be king again in his next birth. Answer. True. Question number 3. Write any 3 instances of funny rules and twisted logic used in Andher Nagari. Answer. Example 1. The disciple came to Andher Nagari to pay respect to the mighty king Chaupat, but to his surprise the king ordered the hangman to hang him without delay. 2. The blame game continued one after another, and the king ordered the hangman every time to hang the person without verifying his/her mistake. Question 3. The king requested the guards to take him to the gallows and hang him without any delay to become the next king of the same kingdom in his next life. Question number 4. List the proverbs and saying used in the play. Answer. Justice delayed is justice denied. Second. Our actions speak louder than words. Question number 5. Read the entire play and complete the following blame game from chart. आता हा आपल्याला चार्ट इथे पूर्ण करून घ्यायचा आहे. Who is blaming thief? Who does he blame? Honor of the house. For what does he blame that person? For not constructing strong wall. Honor of the house. Bricklayer. For carelessly building a weak wall. Merchant. Bricklayer. For carelessly building weak wall. Bricklayer. Mortar maker. For mixing too much water in mortar. Mortar maker. Potter. For making defective pot with a large mouth. Potter. Money lender's daughter. For distributing him with the thinking anklets. Money lender's daughter. Goldsmith. For delay in the delivery of her ornaments. Goldsmith. King. For giving aside all other work to make the queen's ornaments. Next, question number 6. From groups, translate one page of the play into your mother tongue as a group activity. Gather the passage translated by different groups and prepare to translate script of the entire play. ती ॲक्टिव्हिटी जी आहे ती ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला फक्त करायची आहे. त्याचा आन्सर नाही आहे. तर आपण अशा पद्धतीने पार्ट 2 अ प्ले हा संपूर्ण वर्कशॉप आपण बघितलेला आहे. आपल्याला व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा व चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.